Hey everyone, so here is a quick video to show you one of our favorite mounting or attachment methods for belts. This is called Easy Tape. It is a simple hook and loop material that makes it really easy for you to mount accessories to your belt. It is similar to Velcro, but it is not Velcro, and sometimes people would call this one wrap, but this specifically is not one wrap. This is Easy Tape. It works like this. I have the Blue Alpha handcuff case here, and to install the Easy Tape, all you need to do is slide it through however many slots you want to slide it through. So you want to weave it through with the loop side in, so that once it's weaved through, the hook side is on the outside. And to install the accessory onto your belt is as simple as putting it up against your belt and folding the ends over. And now the accessory is attached securely, and the Velcro, the hook and loop connection between the inner and outer belt is not affected because the Easy Tape has hook material on it. And so if I want to move this around, just as simple as releasing that, moving it to the new spot I want to put it, and then sticking it back down again. So you have a really secure, really lightweight, and convenient way to mount your gear to a battle belt. This is one of our favorite ways because it's just so easy and convenient. Molly is still a fantastic solution as well, but this is one that you guys definitely should know about. We sell Easy Tape on our website, so you can buy it as a kit on our website. It also ships with some of our products when appropriate. So check out the Easy Tape on our website at bluealphabelts.com.